so it should be a short video today. I finally got all my parts in, so I kind of wanted to go through and unbox all of that with you guys and show you guys what I've been up to and what I bought so far. The only thing that's not in is the cylinder 4 mod. I'm still waiting on that. That was the Get a Dom Tune one, so I'm pretty excited to get that. But anyways, I will start unboxing and show you guys what I got. Okay, so I guess I'll go through the stuff from Subaru first. I got an OEM throw-up bearing, which is nice. I'm gonna replace mine. Mine looks really old and crusty in there. So I got OEM throw-up bearing, which is awesome. Gaskets. So I got all my manifold gaskets to put that back on. I got a turbo drain hose, which is awesome because mine is old and cracked. And from Rockauto, Rockauto actually was surprisingly good. So I got a new OEM flywheel from Rockauto, which is, it's really loud playing. Anyways, yeah, so OEM flywheel, Rockauto, yay. It was like only like $100, which is way cheaper than anywhere else. Okay, and then from Rockauto also, I got an Aisin Timing Kit, which is pretty cool. It says it's all Japanese made on the website, which it is. I checked the box, it's awesome. It is all Japanese made, except for the timing belt. That was made in Thailand, but apparently the OEM one is too, so I don't think that makes that big of a deal. So, you have, in this kit, I'll kind of just go through the kit for you guys so you know what's in it if you want to buy one. It's got the NTN tensioner, which is very similar to the OEM one, if not the exact OEM one. It looks really close to what's on there. So that's awesome. Okay, and this kit comes with 2 Koyo bearings, which is also awesome because they are also made in Japan. I have one of them open. So Koyo bearings, those are Japanese made, yay. So far this timing kit was really impressive. It was pretty much all you would get in an OEM timing kit. Everything's made in Japan. Then I've got an NSK one. This one's the toothed one. Looks exactly like OEM, yay. Here is the timing belt with all the proper markings and everything. Although, made in Thailand, not Japan. So that is the only part that is not Japanese. This is the water pump that comes in the kit. It's an Aisin one. They have their own stamp on it. But it says made in Japan and it looks really similar to the OEM one, so I feel really good about this one. Good news is that water pump does come with a metal gasket. It's not one of the flimsy, crappy ones. It is a good metal gasket, so that's awesome. And then the last bearing that comes in this kit is a little NTN one. It's the really, really teeny one that is also made in Japan. So this whole kit was pretty impressive for what I paid for it. I paid, I think, like $215 Canadian on Rockauto, and this kit is like $500 Canadian on every other website. So I was kind of expecting it to be a little sketchy, but so far it looks really good. I'm really impressed with this kit. Everything is Japanese and everything is pretty much what you would get in an OEM kit anyways. So I guess we'll see how this performs in the car. Hopefully it holds up well. Little side note, I got the oil cooler seal that I ordered too, but it says Nissan V6, so I don't know if the part number cross-references or if it fits a Nissan V6 and my car. I don't know. I guess we'll find out, but yay Rockauto. Now this last part is the fun part because I haven't actually gone in this box yet. The other two I kind of peeked, I cheated, but yeah, this box I haven't actually opened yet, so I don't know what's inside. I kind of forget what I ordered because I blew so much money on this that now I don't really know. It's all just kind of a blur of car parts that I thought I was going to buy and then didn't, and car parts that I did buy or things that I forgot. So I guess we'll see. Okay, so just a side note, super happy. It went through customs and all of the customs forms are in there, but they didn't charge me duty. So that's awesome because I was totally expecting to pay tons of duty on this and they didn't charge me any. So I don't know if it was just the really thorough packaging and invoices from the place that I got it from that kind of made it go through smoother without them having to charge me like what they think it's worth and stuff like that. But I didn't have to pay duty on this, so that's A+. Okay, so we're actually going to open up this box now, and I'm super excited, so let's see what's inside. Got more invoicing stuff. Oh, it came with stickers! I got stickers! Oh my god, I love when stuff comes with stickers. I got stickers. Free stickers, yes. Wait, hold up. We've got the little Flatirons tuning dude. Sick. We have lots of those. This is so exciting. I love when stuff comes with stickers. Oh, this is so cute. I love stickers. Yay. Oh, I did. Okay, so apparently I bought the whole PCV assembly when I was trying to figure out what the hell was going on with my engine last week. Apparently, I did things right. And I bought the whole PCV assembly, which is awesome. This one is from Flatirons Tuning in Colorado. I stumbled on a YouTube video of theirs explaining how the PCV system works on an EJ25, which was actually really cool to understand how it actually works and how it all kind of goes together underneath the intake manifold, because you can't really see under there. You don't really know where any of the tubes go. So that was super cool. I'll actually leave the link to that below because that was a really cool video that kind of explained to me how everything kind of flows within that system, and it actually tipped me off to the hose in the middle that was leaking on my block. I didn't know what the hose was, but he actually went over it in the video, and that's the only reason why I found the center breather hose that I needed, because the guys at Flatirons Tuning actually helped me out and got me that tube. So we're gonna open that now. I'm so excited to see this. I got a cam lock tool. So I bought the company 23 cam lock tool. I wasn't going to. I was going to try and do this without buying that tool. But I just decided it's probably better to play it safe rather than try to chance it and do it without the tool. So I will show you guys that. Okay, so this is the company 23 cam lock tool. Yay. Oh, it's upside down. So this just kind of holds your cams in place while you take the timing belt off or put the timing belt on or play around in there any way you need to. So this will kind of prevent anything from smashing together and ruining my engine. These are exciting because these are the STI N group or something mounts. A lot of people commented on my Instagram that these were awesome and that they run these and that they're not too stiff and not too aggressive, which would be nice because I don't want something that's going to be so aggressive that I get a lot of vibration. I mean, it looks like pretty much the OEM mount. Pretty much the exact same thing, but it's supposed to be a lot stiffer. So I guess it helps with shifting and stuff and making it feel, I don't know, more race car. That's what I'm going for, is more race car at this point. So I guess more power is transferred to the actual wheels and stuff instead of losing it side to side. I don't know. But yeah, these are supposed to make it better and they look great, so A+ on those. This, I actually don't know what this is. This is in a little package. I don't know what this is. I kind of forget what I ordered. But this is... Oh, this is my pitch stop mount! I forgot I ordered that. This is great. This is like Christmas gifting to myself with my own money, which isn't as fun, but it's still fun because you get to unwrap it and forget what you got. So yeah, this looks awesome. This is, again, this is the STI N group one. This is another little bundle of stuff. Oh, I forgot about these. I forgot about all of this. Literally, I went through so many parts that I thought I had things in my cart and then forgot, and then so many parts were ordered. But I got little downpipe bolts because we had to like cut mine off because they were very stuck on there. They were not coming off. They rounded out. We had an impact on it, and we had a strip bolt remover on it, and they wouldn't come out. So I got these. And then I've also got... I don't know what that is. It's some sort of seal for something. I don't know what it is, but it's in the bag. Oh, I've got that center breather hose that I needed. This little kind of elbow looking dude. It goes 90 degrees from the hard line of your PCV that runs underneath your manifold right into the block. And that is leaking oil out on top of my block, which is, I think, why it's pooling on both sides at the back. So hopefully this fixes that. And, oh, a thermostat. I forgot I ordered this too. This is literally like Christmas. Yep, that looks like a thermostat. Yay. Okay, so the last thing I got real quick is a dipstick tube. I don't know if this is a common problem, but mine is leaking. It's kind of all rusty at the bottom, and the seals aren't really holding on it anymore. So instead of buying new seals, I just decided to buy a whole new dipstick tube. That way I can make sure it's not going to leak. Okay, so that is the end of our video for today. That is all the car parts that I bought. Not a lot of fun stuff, a lot of maintenance stuff, but I guess that's kind of how it is when you have an old leaky engine. But yeah, I think I'm going to wait until about mid next week to start actually replacing stuff on the engine, because it's really cold out today. It actually started snowing today here on the 8th of May, which is awesome. Not really, but yeah, so I'm gonna wait until about mid next week when it's nice and warm and I can kind of sit outside and actually enjoy working on it, and I guess I'll update you guys then. Thanks for watching.